What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to transform this photo to become this one. As you can see on the left side will be the picture of a woman, and also there's the cute owl landed on her shoulder. And after using the special prompt, this picture can be transformed into the fully Halloween vibe, and also this woman can have the witchy costume, and also she's kinda holding the, let's say, the secret message like this. Isn't that cool, right? How to create this one? It is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I used before was the Nano banana, and here I am accessing it via Google AI Studio. However, if you would like to use another platform such as the Gemini or the Sea Dream or the Dreamina or Quen AI and a lot of AI, your favorite AI or platform, it is very okay, you can go with it. And here I will also share you the prompt to create this photo transformation, guys. And if you would like to access it via Google AI Studio, then don't forget to do the login first with your email. And after that, you can scroll down over here and click try Nano banana. And after that, I will upload the picture in my gallery. For example, this one. And after that, I will put the prompt into this section, and you can start to give this prompt a screenshot, or you can simply copy it from the description box. And basically the prompt will be like this: change this photo to be a chilling photorealistic Halloween portrait of a mysterious young witch with the long dark hair, since she has the long dark hair, and dressed in dark flowing gown and a classic pointed witch hat like this. And also her expression is enigmatic and slightly eerie as she gazes directly at the viewer. And also perched menacingly on her shoulder is a large ominous horned owl with the glowing piercing yellow eyes like this. And also around, or the background, the background is a spooky moonlight haunted forest, and also shrouded in thick swirling mist with the silhouette of the north trees, and also faint, or there is no any leaves in these trees. And also the flickering jack-o'-lanterns, this one in the distance, and creating an intensely atmospheric and creepy Halloween scene. And also maintain the same girl and owl, and the left hand, or this hand, is carefully holding a tightly rolled and ancient looking scroll paper like this, guys. And after that, you can continue to click run and kindly wait for the result done here, guys. Basically, this is the same prompt that I used before to create this photo transformation. However, by this same prompt, you will have the chance to have the different result, guys, like this. And you can simply choose which one do you prefer. And if you like it, then you can simply download it, and it will be officially saved into your device. And if you would like to get the another version, you can continue to click rerun in this section or this section. So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. And also don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.